This 2023 Airstream Interstate 24 GT4X4 is a Class B RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Airstream of Central PA. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Airstream is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features sleeps 3, stovetop burner, TV, LP detector, smoke detector, auxiliary battery, water heater, awning, air conditioning, carbon monoxide detector, external shower, and 23 gallons fresh water capacity. This 2023 Airstream Interstate 24 GT4X4 is built on a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 3500 chassis and is powered by a Mercedes-Benz engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.